Comprehend fryers comparison. Deep fryers have become an essential kitchen appliance for those who love the crispy texture and rich flavors of fried foods. From homemade French fries to golden brown donuts, a good deep fryer can elevate your cooking game. In this review, we compared 5 popular deep fryer models ranging from budget-friendly to premium options. List number: the Tefal 3.5-liter deep fryer stands out with its advanced oil filtration system, which automatically filters and stores oil for reuse, making it highly economical and convenient. Its large 3.5-liter oil capacity and 2.65 pounds food capacity make it suitable for family-sized meals, and the precise temperature control, 300 degrees Fahrenheit to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, ensures consistent frying results. Safety features like a locking lid, cool touch handles, and automatic shutoff add extra peace of mind. Performance-wise, this fryer excels in maintaining consistent heat, thanks to its 1700-watt power. The digital timer is a handy feature for busy cooks, and the dishwasher-safe components make cleanup a breeze. However, its relatively large footprint and 12.32 pounds weight may not suit smaller kitchens. Overall, it's a premium choice for those who value efficiency and safety. List 2. The Ovente 2L Deep Fryer is a budget-friendly option that delivers solid performance for its price point. With a 1500-watt heating element, it heats up quickly and maintains consistent temperatures, while its compact 2L capacity is ideal for small households or occasional use. The viewing window and replaceable odor filter provide added convenience and a cleaner cooking experience, while the fryer performs well for smaller portions. Its limited capacity might not suit larger families. The adjustable temperature control, 275 degrees to 375 degrees, is precise, but the lack of advanced features like oil filtration or a digital timer is noticeable. However, its lightweight design and easy-to-clean stainless steel body make it a great starter fryer for those on a budget. List number: the Chefman 4.5L Deep Fryer offers a balance between capacity and performance, making it ideal for mid-sized families. Its 1700-watt heating element ensures quick and even frying, while the adjustable temperature control provides flexibility for various recipes. The basket clips to the side for easy oil drainage, and the viewing window allows you to monitor food as it cooks. This fryer is designed with convenience in mind, featuring a removable oil container and dishwasher-safe basket for hassle-free cleaning. However, the lack of an oil filtration system means more frequent oil changes. Its size is manageable for most kitchens, and the magnetic breakaway cord adds an extra layer of safety. Overall, it's a versatile choice for most households. List number: the Hamilton Beach 4.5-liter Deep Fryer is the premium option in this lineup, offering professional-grade features like 3 frying baskets for versatility and an 1800W heating element for rapid, even cooking. Its large 19-cup oil capacity can handle up to 12 cups of food, making it perfect for large families or entertaining. The vented lid and viewing window minimize splatter and allow you to monitor cooking progress. This fryer is easy to assemble and clean, with dishwasher-safe components and a breakaway cord for safety. The adjustable temperature control, 265 degrees Fahrenheit to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, ensures precise frying, while the chrome-plated baskets are durable. However, its higher price and larger size may not appeal to casual users. For those seeking a premium high-capacity fryer, it's an excellent investment. List number: the Presto Big Kettle is a versatile multi-cooker that goes beyond deep frying, offering steaming, stewing, and roasting capabilities. Its 8-quart capacity is perfect for batch cooking, while the 1500-watt heating element ensures even heat distribution. The durable cast aluminum base and non-stick surface make it a long-lasting and easy-to-clean option. This multi-cooker is ideal for those who want a single appliance for multiple cooking methods. The included steam fry basket is convenient for draining oil, but the lack of a viewing window or advanced features like oil filtration may deter some users. For its price, the Presto Big Kettle offers excellent versatility and value.